We ordered these anti-slip shower stickers, but I'm going to show you how we use them for more than just the tub. We've got some basic instructions on the box on how to attach these stickers, so we're going to go ahead and open up the box and test a few of them out. So there's a total of 24 stickers wrapped in plastic, and they also give you a small plastic scraper. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the stickers. They come in strips, but you have to cut them individually. So we'll go ahead and do that with a box cutter. And we'll continue to cut the strips until we have a total of 9. And now that we have a bunch cut out, we're going to go outside to our porch steps because that's where we're going to apply them. The stickers are waterproof and skid-proof, so even though we get a lot of ice and snow in the winter, we're hoping these stickers will help prevent people from slipping. Here we're just cleaning off the front steps to remove any dirt, moisture, and residue. This step is really important, so don't skip it as it will help the stickers adhere to the steps better. Next, we've laid down the stickers onto our step, 3 across and 3 down. And now all we need to do is remove the backing from each strip and apply the sticker directly onto the step. After each individual strip is applied, we're going to go back in with the scraper and we'll gently push down onto the sticker to ensure the adhesive is tightly secured to the step. We'll go ahead and apply the rest of our stickers, repeating the same steps by removing the backing from each sticker, applying the sticker onto the step, and then using the scraper to reinforce the adhesion. If you have wider steps, you can apply more, or if you have narrower steps, you can apply fewer. It's really up to you. And you could also apply these stickers indoors if you have tile or ceramic floors. And of course, you could stick these in your shower, in your tub, or even right outside the bathtub if you don't have a floor mat. And once the stickers are all applied, you don't really notice them because they're clear. And now we can walk on them and they won't come off. And because they're skid-proof, they'll also provide that little bit of extra traction as people come and go. In fact, these are the steps with the stickers after 3 weeks. The stickers are still firmly secured to the steps and there's no sign of the stickers coming off yet, even though it has rained here several times.